Hello and welcome to Saraswat's classes. Today we are going to solve one problem from Test of Mathematics at 10 plus 2 level, which is well known by Tomato. This book is published by Indian Statistical Institute to help the students in their preparation for I.S.I entrances. So let's check what is in this question. A cow is gazing with a rope around her neck and the other end of the rope is tied to a pole. The length of the rope is 10 meters. There are two boundary walls perpendicular to each other, one at a distance of 5 meters to the east of the pole and another at a distance of 5 and root half 5 to 2 meters to the north of the pole. We need to find the area the cow can gaze on. So let's start the solution. First of all, we have to draw the diagram which is representing this situation. This represents the current situation of this problem in pictorial representation. Here, O is the origin. Suppose from this origin, uh, the cow is tied up with the rope, and the gazing area is nothing but the circle. The gazing area is the circle, and the radius of this circle is the length of the rope, which is 10 meter. Okay, and here we have some triangles with the coordinate axis represented in this picture, as you can see. So by solving the equation of the circle, that is x square plus y square equals to 10 square, and the straight lines like x equals to 5 and y equals to 5 root 2, as this is the wall, this is the wall, this is the two walls, which is at a distance of 5 meter unit, and the second one is at a 5 and a root 2 meter distance in north, and the 5 meter distance wall is in the east. Okay, and we get the coordinate of the points A, B, C as given in the figure. Okay, by solving the equation of circle x square plus y square is equals to 10 square, and the straight lines x equals to 5 and y is equals to 5 root 2, and we get the coordinate of the points. We get the coordinate of the points A, B, C as given in the figure. Okay, now slope of the line OB, the slope of the line OB is the slope of the line OB, that is this line, it is nothing but minus 5 root 3 divided by 5. As we know that slope is equals to perpendicular divided by base, and the length of the perpendicular here is minus 5 root 3, and the base is of length 5, and this results in minus root 3. and slope of the line OC and slope of the line OC is nothing but 5 root 2 divided by minus 5 root 2, which is equals to minus 1. That is the slope of this line. Okay, so tan theta is equals to m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2, and let here the m1 is the slope of OC and m2 is the slope of OB. Therefore this results in minus 1 plus root 3 divided by 1 plus root 3, and this results in 2 minus root 3. Hence theta is equals to tan inverse 2 minus root 3. Now the area of OCDB, area of OCDB is equals to pi into r square divided by 2 pi multiplied by tan inverse 2 minus root 3, and this results in 50 tan inverse 2 minus root 3. That is the area of OCDB, that is this portion. Okay, now the area of triangle OAB is equals to half into base, that is 5 root 2 plus 5 root 3 multiplied by 5, which results in 25 by 2 root 3 plus root 2, that is OAB, the area of this portion. And lastly, the area of OAC triangle OAC is equals to half multiplied by 5 root 2 multiplied by 5 plus 5 root 2, which results in 25 by 2 multiplied by root 2 plus 1. Therefore the total area that the cow can gaze is in the area is equals to area of OCDB plus area of OAB plus area of OAC. Okay, so that is the answer of this question, and that's all for today. Resources classes provide different study materials and mock test series for I.S.I entrances, so you can join us. And for further details, you can check our website also, which is www.saurosusclasses.com, and subscribe our YouTube channel to get the notifications. Thank you very much.